Hello everyone, I am Smita. Welcome to yet another episode of Delicious Madras. Today's recipe is sugar-free chocolate banana muffins. There is absolutely no need for sugar to make these muffins yummy. You can compensate sugar with a little jaggery syrup and bananas. You can see how perfectly these muffins turned out with good texture, flavor and right sweetness. Let's see the required ingredients for these yummy muffins. Our main ingredient is banana, so we want 3 bananas, 1 cup wheat flour, 1/4 cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1.5 tablespoon baking powder, 35 grams sugar-free dark chocolate, 4 tablespoon virgin coconut oil, 1/4 cup of homemade jaggery syrup, 1 cup milk and 1 tablespoon vanilla essence. Before preparing the batter, preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Now take a large bowl and combine all the dry ingredients like wheat flour, cocoa powder, baking powder and baking soda. To prepare the wet ingredients, take a grinder jar and add banana, oil, milk, jaggery syrup and vanilla extracts together to make a thick paste. Now our finely blended banana paste is ready. Slowly we can add this paste into our dry ingredients and combine it thoroughly. Always don't overmix it. You can mix the batter until its air bubbles and small crumbs settled. You can see we got a perfect batter texture now. Now it's the time to add our dark chocolate. Make them into small tiny pieces. Now gently fold in banana muffin batter with chocolate pieces. Now it's the time to arrange the baking tray. I am using a silicone cupcake mold which I bought it from Amazon. I can add the product link in the description. Now you can scoop the batter evenly into the muffin cups. You can also top up with the small chocolate pieces. Now we set for baking. Start baking in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Always make a note that the oven temperature varies with oven to oven. Here our delicious and yummy muffins are ready. You can see the crunchy and the beautiful look. See, we can unmold it very easily and we are using only coconut oil. There is no butter. I would say it's very healthy because no maida, no egg, no curd, no sugar added on this. So friends, do try this recipe and enjoy and serve with your family and friends. Thanks for watching our video. Until then, bye-bye.